In this video, I will be showing you how to discover the meaning of Perplexity AI by comparing a standard search result to the platform's own interface. I'll start by heading to the Google homepage and clicking into the search bar to type my query. I'm entering what is the meaning of Perplexity AI and then hitting enter to generate the results. As you can see, Google's AI overview appears at the top, defining Perplexity as an AI-powered answer engine and conversational search tool designed to provide direct, accurate, and up-to-date answers. It also notes how the tool provides citations to its source material, which is a key feature of its functionality. Next, I'm going to navigate directly to the Perplexity AI website to see the tool in action. Once the page loads, I'll click into the Ask Anything search bar and type in the exact same question. I'll then click the arrow to process the request. Perplexity AI is an AI-powered search engine that answers questions in a natural, conversational way, while providing clear links to the sources it used for its information. The results clarify that the name Perplexity is a technical term in machine learning that measures how well a language model predicts the next word in a sequence. By using this tool, I get a concise, direct answer that helps move me from uncertainty to a clear understanding of the topic without having to click through multiple websites. It effectively combines web search with advanced language models to offer a more streamlined research experience. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.